Hello and welcome to The Loop. I'm Matt Bruning.
And I'm Erin Frizz. Work is underway on a major project in downtown Defiance.
The Clinton Street Bridge is a vital link across the Maumee River. The old bridge is coming down. It'll be completely replaced with a new structure.
Defiance, Ohio is home to plenty of cool spots to visit.
Like Bud's Restaurant, where Matt Bruning's favorite pie is.
The Maumee, the Oglays, and the Tiffin River.
And most importantly, the picturesque Clinton Street Bridge. Well, wait a minute.
This bridge was built in 1932. The deck itself was replaced in 1980. And we are in the process of putting a new bridge that's coming here. While we were working on the bridge, we had discovered the old abutments in the walls, which are nothing but sandstones. We think this was from 1880. Right now we are looking into changing the design because you can't drive piles anymore. At this point, there is no impact to the job or the progress. I lived in Defiance for a long time. There's a lot of people, see you when you go to the baseball game, the football game, and asking you questions. How's it coming? Hopefully it turns out pretty good, so people will remember that.
I could really go for some strawberry pie from Bud's right now.
Matt Bruning, I don't think you ever met a pie you didn't like.
It's so true.
When District 11 Highway Technician Cameron Kosak isn't plowing or maintaining roads at ODOT, he's putting out fires? He sounds like a real-life superhero. Well, Cameron is a volunteer captain for Glenmore Fire Department during his time off the clock. Last month, Cameron rescued a dog from a house fire. The dog had lost consciousness due to the amount of smoke inside the home. Immediately, Kosak took off his air mask and placed it over the dog's face to help it breathe. The dog was taken to the veterinarian by the family and is A-OK. Thank you, Cameron, for your heroic act.
Very cool story. ODOT District 9 in Southern Ohio hosted 4th grade students from Unyoto Elementary School in Chillicothe for a day of fun and learning about science and engineering at ODOT. The students engineered bridges, painted a plow, even tried their hand at the distracted driving simulator. They said it was the best field trip ever. Now, Unyoto is also where my son Charlie goes to school, so big shout out to the Tanks. Go Tanks.
Oh, very cool. A big award for the diverging diamond interchange in Perrysburg. It's only the second DDI in Ohio, but it's already making a difference in reducing congestion and crashes. The project was awarded the America's Transportation Awards competition for operations excellence. In the 2-year period after the state's first DDI, located at Roberts Road and I-270 in Columbus, open left turn and angle crashes were nearly eliminated.
Get more ODOT news online at transportation.ohio.gov. Follow us on social media. And we always love your story ideas and feedback to loop@dot.ohio.gov.
And keep sending us great videos just like this one from the Unyoto Scopes class.